So let's understand another videos, right, in which we are going to see the 6350, right. So find the maximum divisibility score. This is the context question, right. Second question, you are given two zero index integer that is called nums and divisor, right. Two things we have given, nums and divisor. Okay, so nums, we have given nums and divisor in which the divisibility score that is called divisor, this is a it divides the number, right, and it's called divisibility score, right. All the divisibility score will come into the, you can say, divisors, right, in the divisor. So you can say, so divisors is the number of indices, right. Divisors is the number of indices j, right, such that num of j, right, num of j is the divisibility by divisor of I, right. So you got it. It is saying that the divisor of I is the number of indices j, such that num of j is divisible by divisor j, right. Got it. Now we have to return divisor I with the maximum divisibility score. We have to return the integer divisor of I with the maximum divisibility score if there is more than one integer with maximum score, right. And after that we have to return the minimum of them, right. Are you getting? So first of all, it is saying that we have given two things, nums and divisor. Now divisibility score will come into divisibility score of divisor. Divisibility score of divisor is the number of indices j, right, that such that num of j is divisibility by score, this one. Okay, I think you got me. We have to return the integer divisor with the maximum divisibility score, and if there is more than one integer with the maximum score, we have to return the minimum of them, right. We have to return the integer with the maximum divisibility score, right. If there is more than one integer, the maximum score return the minimum of them. Okay, are you getting? We have to return the divisor with the maximum divisibility score. If there is more than one integer with the maximum score, we have to return minimum of them. Let's suppose we have example this one. So first we have given what? We have given 4 7 9 3 9, right. We have given this one into a array that is called nums. So let me write into the array. This will look like this one, right. Now we have given divisors. With divisor is 5 to 3 we have given, right. 5 to 3 we have given. Okay, like this. Now what we have to do, the minimum divisor we have to return, right. How? Let's suppose the divisibility score of every element is in the divisor, right. So how the divisibility score of divisor at 0 is what? At 0 is 0, since no number is in the divisibility by 5, right. No number is divisibility by 5. So if we'll see divisible by 5, what we have here, num of I, we have num of j, you can say num of j. If you'll check here, what is coming, it is 5, right. Nums is divisible 5. Nums is divisible what? This is our nums, right, and this nums is divisible what? 5. Divisible 5, right. So no number is divisible by this in this 5, right. No number, any number cannot be divisible here, right. Now if we'll check divisor at what? 2, 1, the second value, right. This is called 2. So if this divisible is divisible by any number, so if we'll check here, 4 is divisible, right. Next you can see any number is divisible. I don't think any other number is divisible, so only one number is there that can be divided. So I can put 1 here, right. First 0 came, now it come 1. Now we'll check with the 3. 3 is divisible by what? 3, 9, 3 and 3. 3 times it can be divisible, right, here. So we are getting what? 0 1 3, right. So what we have to do, we have to return the integer of divisor I with the maximum divisibility score, and which is what? 3, right. So 3 is here, 3 is the divisor at I is what? 3. So 3 is the maximum divisibility score, right. So if it is also saying if there is more than one integer with the maximum divisibility score, return the minimum of them, but here is only one, so we will return only 3, right. So here, because first we are getting what? 0, we are getting 0 1 and 3, right. So all of them, there is only one, that is in this one, right. I think you got me, right. So what we have to do, actually we will traverse with this, we will traverse this number where? On this one. What we'll do, we'll traverse on this one and then we will return. Give me 1 minute. Okay, battery was not on. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to take these divisors, and we will one by one will take and will divide this one, right? After dividing this one, what we will do, we can count those numbers, right? Like first 5 will come, 5 is not able to divide the nums, right? So this is 0. Next 2 came, right? 2 is not 2 is only divide to 4 number, right? So that is called 1. Now we will take 9, right? And we will divide 3 will divide 9, 3 and 9, so it is 3. So we will return 3 as a maximum, right? So after dividing, right, after dividing, this is the count, right? How many divisors are there, right? So you can say counting 0, 1 and 3, so max count is 3, and we will return that one, right? I think you got me. This is very easy questions. Let's understand this easiest question. Okay.